Uttarakhand, a state that crowns India, is indeed a nature wonderland from where emanate the two great rivers of India, Ganga and Yamuna. In the western Himalayan region of the state, the headwaters of Yamuna emerge here as the Tons, a river crucial for life in large parts of India. Established in 1955, Govind Wildlife Sanctuary National Park is a landscape that supports immense floral and faunal diversity. It is named after Bharat Ratna Pandit Govind Vallabh Pant, an astute political statesman and hero of our freedom struggle. Spread over almost 1,000 square kilometers in the highlands of Uttarkashi district, the landscape constitutes the Rupin and Supin ranges, with snow-capped mountain peaks like Swargarohini, Black Peak and Bandarpunch clearly visible. The Tons emerges close to the foot of Bandarpunch, a name that literally translates into the tail of the monkey. Legend has it that Lord Hanuman, Ram's companion and progeny of the wind god, came to this mountain peak to douse the fire in his tail after it had been set aflame in the raging battle between Ram and Ravan. In the rocky crags of this mythical and magical landscape, away from prying human eyes, lives the elusive cat, the snow leopard. The upper reaches of this landscape are a habitat for this animal where it is easily camouflaged. The shy Himalayan blue sheep, the bharal, can be spotted grazing and bounding over the steep, rocky crags. The tailless rodent pika adds to the mind-boggling biodiversity of this landscape. Amongst the birds, the monal pheasant, the state bird of Uttarakhand, can be spotted here. Himalayan griffon, one of the largest carnivores of the highlands, takes advantage of the thermals to soar high and spot its prey. Chukar partridge, a galliform or flightless bird, is also a native. Over 70 species of butterfly are found here, which include the common mormon, large cabbage white, common peacock and the Himalayan black vane. The freshwater streams formed of the melting snows form the habitat of fish. The landscape is equally rich in medicinal plants like atis, archa and others, many of which are essential ingredients in life-saving drugs. As you walk around, you will come across a lush forest cover of pine and deodar. Amongst the major indigenous species of trees are rhododendron, locally referred to as the buranj, and the mother of the forest, the Himalayan oak or the banj. The forests of this landscape are mostly evergreen, maintaining a dense canopy throughout the year. This landscape is richly endowed with spectacular high-altitude lakes such as Juda Ka Talab, Ruinsara Tal, and several others. Alpine grasslands such as the emerald green Har Ki Doon, Kedarkantha, Chainshil and Devkyara greatly add to the allure of this mountain region. Some of the most popular Himalayan winter treks pull visitors from afar. This has made this region a prime trekking destination, especially for winter treks. People worship divine kings such as Raja Karna, Someshwar Devata and Mahasu Devata. These deities are taken in processions along ancient routes to meet their subjects and claim territory. These deities are believed to heal, deliver justice, bless and protect in this difficult terrain. They are celebrated in unique festivals where communities gather in song and dance to offer tributes. Communities come together to play games like Indwara, which renew their relationship with the soil. Uttarakhand Forest Department and Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, Government of India, in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme, supported by Global Environment Facility, GEF, is implementing Secure Himalaya project, which is committed to conserving the snow leopard's prime habitat. They work closely with local communities in promoting ecotourism so that they develop a stake in protecting the landscape. If you are a visitor, please appreciate the delicate balance of nature by leaving no traces and helping us keep it as pristine as you found it. Come, let us revel in this sacred landscape, keeping it protected from negative impacts. Let us come together to keep this Himalayan wonderland pristine.